looking for one of the best dark themes for Windows 10. In this video, I am going to completely transform this basic Windows desktop into clean, modern and premium look setup. We will be using a custom dark theme, custom icon pack, Windhawk tweaks, Rainmeter widgets and more to create an amazing desktop experience. So sit back, follow the step and let's give Windows 10 a stunning new look. Before starting the customization, I highly recommend creating a restore point. This makes the process much safe because if anyone doesn't go as planned, you can restore your system easily. Now let's begin by install SecureUxTheme. This tool allows Windows 10 to support custom third-party themes and is essential for this setup. Once installed, download the custom theme files and extract everything. After extracting, copy the theme file into the Windows theme folders. Next, let's apply the wallpaper for this setup. Choosing the right wallpaper instantly give the desktop a clear and more premium feel. Now apply the custom theme. First apply the light version to properly install. And choose the over to the dark version for the final premium look. Already the desktop look much clear, but now it's time to take things to the next level. Open Windhawk so we can customize Windows even further. Download the custom icon pack and place the folder inside. To your C drive. Once done, copy the full folder path because we will use it for icon customization. Inside Windhawk, search the resource redirect. Install it and head over to the setting. Under theme path, theme the copied folder location and save everything. To properly refresh the new icon, just clear run as administrator. This ensures the icon pack applies smoothly across Windows. Now install Old New Explorer. For the clear file explorer experience, blend properly with the dark aesthetic. If you want to remove this left side system information for this clear desktop, simply press Shift plus Alt plus P on your keyboard. For the finishing task, open Rainmeter. And unload all default screen. Then go to taskbar setting and enable automatic hide the taskbar to create a more minimal and immersive desktop. Finally, apply your custom Rainmeter widget like the clock and weather skin. Those details bring the entire setup together to give Windows 10 modern premium appearance. And there we have it, a completely Windows 10 dark theme makeover with clean element and premium desktop experience. If you enjoyed this customization and found it helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more premium Windows customization content. Let me know in the comments what desktop makeover you want to see next. Thanks for watching and I will catch you in the next.